In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change name in Notion. This is the display name people see when you share pages, leave comments, or collaborate, so it's worth setting it to something clear and professional. I'll walk you through the exact clicks, plus a few tips to make sure everything looks the way you expect. Start by looking to the very top left of your Notion window. You'll see the current workspace name there. Click it. This opens the workspace menu and puts you in the right place to reach the controls you need. If you use multiple workspaces, make sure you're on the one you want to adjust first. You can switch if necessary after clicking that name. If your sidebar is collapsed, hovering near the left edge, or expanding, it can make that workspace name easier to spot. Next, click on Settings. This takes you into Notion's Settings area, where all the personal and workspace options live. Depending on your version, it may say Settings or Settings and Members, but either way, you're in the right place. Think of this as the control center for your account details, notifications, and other preferences. We're heading straight to your personal information. Now click on your account name to open your account settings. You'll typically see your profile information here, including your email and any connected details. This section is specifically about you, not the workspace as a whole. Opening it brings up the personal fields that Notion uses to label your comments, mentions, and shared content. Here, you'll see a text field for your preferred name. This is the name that shows up across Notion when others interact with you. Simply change it to what you want to be known as. Keep in mind, this can be your full name or a shorter, friendly version, whatever best fits the context you work in. Notion updates changes quickly, so you should see it reflected in mentions and comments right away. If you collaborate across devices, the new name will carry over everywhere once it syncs. A quick tip: pick a consistent name so teammates recognize you at a glance, and avoid adding extra punctuation or emojis if you want a clean, professional look. And that's all. We clicked the workspace name at the top left, opened Settings, selected your account name, and updated the preferred name field. Simple, fast, and done. If this helped, you're ready to keep building in Notion with a profile that looks just the way you want.